When people hear AI factories, they assume it's just the next buzzword for a data center, but it's actually a very different kind of digital infrastructure. Think of a traditional data center as a versatile powerhouse. It's built to handle a huge variety of tasks, like storing your files, running your favorite applications, processing transactions. But an AI factory, that's a whole different infrastructure. It's purpose-built from the ground up to fuel the entire AI lifecycle. We're talking about training massive AI models, running complex simulations, and generating intelligence at unprecedented scale. Here are more ways that they're different. Standard data centers are built around CPUs. They are fantastic for sequential tasks and managing diverse workloads efficiently, like databases, web apps, and enterprise IT. AI factories shift to accelerated compute. They're centered on high-density GPU racks designed for massive parallel workloads like training, fine-tuning, and high-volume inference. This shift from CPUs to GPUs brings a fiery challenge: heat. GPU clusters run far hotter and far denser, which pushes past what air cooling can handle. AI factories rely on new thermal topologies that support higher rack densities, ensuring these powerful GPUs stay at optimal operating temperatures. For a traditional data center, it's all about uptime, ensuring continuous availability and reliability. And that's still incredibly important for AI factories. But we introduce a new metric, tokens per watt. This measures how efficiently you're converting power into usable intelligence. It's all about maximizing the output of AI models while optimizing energy consumption. This is where Siemens steps in, right at the heart of the digital transformation. Whether it's optimizing existing data centers or engineering the next generation of AI factories, we're integrating critical infrastructure components. Siemens is enabling this shift by delivering end-to-end power, controls, automation, and digital twin capabilities designed to support infrastructure that can scale efficiently, reliably, and at scale.